I call this bitch the vacuum cleaner. Plus, I just got on FaceTime with my baby, and she told me it's cute. So fuck y'all. Straight up. Hell yeah, let me get some. I don't want no candy. I want some food. I'm straight. What the hell you want? Hey, what's that shit we be getting this around the corner, bro? Lobster pizza, some shit like that? I mean, baby in the chair next, nigga. Baby getting his shape up next. You niggas gonna have all y'all goddamn germs and the clippers and shit, you know what I'm saying? Nah. Hey, E, nah, I'm next. Nah, you fuck that, E. That nigga got to wait his turn, E. That nigga got to wait his turn, nigga. Baby neck. The vacuum, I'm fucking with that. That's what we gonna call this hat, the vacuum.
Oh, I did.
The motherfucking.
All the sisters around here.
The motherfucking vacuum, nigga. Straight up. Hat called the vacuum. You niggas bitches anyway, nigga. You niggas bitches anyway. Give a fuck if my hat look funny, nigga. Give a fuck if my hat look funny, nigga ain't gonna do nothing. Huh? Yeah. Nigga ain't gonna do nothing. Well. Yes, you got the pictures, bro. You got the pictures, Trap. You know what I'm saying? TG got them shits from when we did that shit at the crib. OG.
What's up? What's up?
I'm finna come to meet you at the studio with this motherfucker on. OG, these niggas hating, man.
Why do you hate it, man?
I'm finna make a hit with this bitch on, man. These niggas hating, man.
Hey, that's how you start. They gotta know how you start. That's how I got started. They gotta know from day one. That's how I started. You showing something new. I know what you're doing. Reinventing.
Where you at? You in Florida or LA?
Yeah, I'm in Florida.
You out there all week? That where you at?
Yeah, I'll be here all week. No, I'll be out here all week.
I'll be that way for Memorial Weekend.
I'll be here waiting for you.
I'm gonna get with you. I'm gonna get with you then.
All right, my brother.
Hey, look, I'm recording all week out here though, so if you got something for me, send it my way.
All right. I'm gonna FaceTime you so I can hear it so you tell me like send it. I don't want to be sending out some bullshit.
Okay.
I want to see you.
I just call you.
Fire. All right.
Call you when I get in New York.
Okay. Look.
Nigga acting like I ain't got no fucking style, nigga. You hear me out? Nigga, they ain't never seen one before, nigga, get to hating. I can do this bitch like this. Hey, Real, if they want to play like that, nigga, we can take it there, nigga. I'll pull up on your ass with that bitch like this, nigga. Now I look like a hammer or some shit. See what I'm saying? You niggas ain't ready for this next level shit. And why you nigga hating? It's a lifestyle. Exactly. It's a fucking lifestyle. I'm hungry as hell, man. What's up with some real food?
Yo, what's going on?
Where you at? You still out on the water or you back around the way?
I'm in the city. I'm in Charlotte.
Book your flight.
All right, what's up? Do
Book
it.
up.
All right.
I'm on it right now.
All right, for sure. All right.
When you ready to leave?
Tonight.
Hey, Trap. Tell Steph get Uzo a flight. Yeah. Okay. See how that go, nigga? Done deal, nigga. Play with this
Appreciate
shit.
you. Appreciate you.
Nigga, this BDB, nigga.
No cap, for sure.
Done deal, BDB. We ain't flying bad hoes in. You know what I'm saying?
For sure. We ready to work.
We ain't flying bad hoes in. We flying superstar producers in, nigga. Let's go to work.
For sure.
You nigga hating on my hat, Uzo. Stay away from me hating that nigga, Uzo. Hey, they ain't gonna do nothing anyway. You know
No
what I'm saying?
cap.
They ain't gonna do nothing anyway. I see you tomorrow.
All right, for sure.
All right. Boy, Uzo said he ready tonight, nigga. He said get him one. Right? He said get him one and gonna crank up. You know what I'm saying? What y'all ain't finna do is make fun of me, nigga. What I ain't finna do is just sit here and let you niggas make fun of me, nigga. You know what I'm saying? We need some real food. You ain't hungry again, Rick? Hey, IG, I'm about done. I like my motherfucking hat. Hey, IG, fuck y'all. Hey, fuck y'all.